themselves. And beforehand, you set up the conditions, you set up the dance, you set up the troupe. But during the performance, there's no choreographer on stage. You don't see them. They're at the sidelines, waiting or watching the performance unfold. So this idea of moving away from a distributed transaction, bang, 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 with a business process coordinator directing everything, and moving towards the idea of the choreographer, moving towards the idea of independent systems with their own business rules, reacting in response to external events. And as I said before, with the flexing, the different degrees of freedom, each of these is then independently scalable, deployable, maintainable, rewritable. So this is, I guess, next to last final tip. I should probably hurry up. I've only got 9 minutes left, according to my watch, which is to use hypermedia controls. Right? Embedded within our feeds, embedded within the Atom collections and the entries and then our types were hypermedia controls, so that you could always work out the next state transition that you would want to make if you're interacting as a client with the other systems. And this is a key one. And I was talking with someone from Amazon recently about, 2005, there was this big hoo-ha at Amazon, and Jeff Bezos said, right, thou shalt use service orientation, thou shalt build it and run it, and all these kinds of things. And I've been fairly dubious about whether that's actually happened. I was talking with the ops center people, and they said, yeah, actually, this is what they do. Each service, each team is entirely independent from one another. They're their own cost center and profit center. They get to take decisions entirely for themselves on what tooling they're going to use and what applications and how they're going to build their applications. And this sort of design, this sort of architecture